Ever struggled with messy wipes not doing their job?
He's completely fake, and guess what? There are tons of these AI avatars that you can use to make thousands of dollars through Amazon affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you exactly how I put them to work for me, so stick with me. This video will completely change your affiliate marketing strategy. Ready to get started? Let's start by finding a trending product. Find a trending product. The first step is to find trending and best-selling products on Amazon. To get started, open your browser and search for Amazon Movers and Shakers in Google. Click on the first link that appears to access Amazon's Movers and Shakers tool. This page provides an overview of products that have seen a significant increase in sales rankings over the past 24 hours. This tool will help you find trending products to market as an affiliate. Once you're on the page, you can check out the trending products in different categories on the left. For this example, I've selected the baby category. Look at this product. It's been wildly popular with over 20,000 reviews. That shows there's a lot of demand for it. Once you've identified a trending product, click on it and copy the product URL. Using AI to create viral content. Now we get to the exciting part, using AI to turn this product into a viral marketing campaign. Later in this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to maximize your revenue using AI tools and strategies. How to create professional viral videos. Now that we have our product link, let me show you how to easily create professional and viral videos using the powerful Top View AI tool. This tool changes everything. All you have to do is upload your product link, and this AI will generate a complete video for you with a perfect script, professional voiceover, and even real avatars. The link to access the Top View AI tool is in the video description. Just click on it to go to the tool page. Choose Avatars. If you scroll down a bit, you will see AI-generated avatars that look exactly like real people. For an affiliate marketer, this feature is invaluable. Why? Because showing your face can build trust and help build your personal brand. Go back to the top of the page and click on the Sign In option, then sign in with your Google account. After logging in, you will be taken to the tool's dashboard. Here you can create videos for various platforms like Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy, TikTok, and others. Paste your copied Amazon product link into the appropriate field. Click Analyze Link. Analyze and select Media. Artificial intelligence analyzes your link and automatically finds relevant videos and images for you. This means you don't have to search for relevant content, everything is ready. If you don't want some of the content, just uncheck it. But for best results, I recommend selecting everything. Edit video information and settings. You can upload additional images or videos to use in the final video. The tool has a video brief section that displays key information about your product and automatically applies this data to the video. Any other details you want to add are easily editable. Choose the format and language. Choose your video format, vertical 9:16 for videos like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, or horizontal 16:9 for long-form content like YouTube. Choose the appropriate language from over 20 supported languages. For this example, we'll use English. Choose a voiceover. You have over 100 high-quality professional voices to choose from. You can filter these voices by gender, age, style, and language. I'm using an American female voice for this video, which is professional and appealing. Choose an avatar. There are over 100 digital avatars available, with different ages, ethnicities, and styles. These avatars look amazingly realistic and bring your video to life. If you don't want to use an avatar, you can choose the blank option. But for this video, I'm using a girl avatar with a simple and friendly style. Choose a video style. Within the tool, there are 13 different scenes to choose from. This feature allows you to produce different videos with different styles, creating and completing the video. After selecting all the settings, just click Confirm and everything is ready. Now it's time to generate the video. Click Generate. The AI, by analyzing 5 million popular videos on TikTok and YouTube, generates the best possible script using the GPT-4 model. Script selection. The AI has generated 3 different scripts. This is the first script. Here are the second and third scripts. All 3 scripts are great, but I personally prefer the first one. Of course, you can change the script text as you like. Advanced settings. If the sound is set to automatic, you can set the same sound as you previously selected by clicking on the sound option. Also, to make the video more professional, select the edit option and make the desired changes. Background music. Click on the music icon to choose a suitable one from a collection of copyright-free songs. You can adjust the music volume to your liking. Subtitles. Adjust the style, position, and height of the subtitles to match the mood of the video by clicking on the corresponding icon. Replace clips. If you are not satisfied with a particular image or clip, click on the Replace icon. Select a better video from the available options and then click Confirm. Set the background. Select the cover mode by clicking on the background icon to make the video fit perfectly on the screen and give it a professional look. Add transitions. By clicking on the transitions icon, you can add transitions between scenes. Finalize and export the video. When you have edited everything, click Export. If the lip sync with the audio is a little erratic in the preview, don't worry, this will be fixed in the final version. Now your video is ready. Here is the final result.
Ever struggled with messy wipes not doing their job? Check out Mama Bear's 99% water baby wipes. Feels like a soothing hug for baby skin. Finding gentle wipes is such a struggle, right? These wipes are seriously game-changing. Imagine a toddler play day, sticky mess everywhere. Just grab a Mama Bear wipe, problem solved instantly. Super gentle on face, hands, and bottoms. No need to worry about harsh chemicals. Ethical and trash-friendly, just toss in the bin. Get yours now and see the magic firsthand.
Did you see how natural the avatar moved and gave explanations? The scenes also changed every 3-4 seconds, which kept the video interesting and engaging. If you're impressed by this AI tool, there's a free version available that allows you to export 2 watermarked videos. But my suggestion, if you want to outsource the production of such a video, it can cost upwards of $200 per video. For this reason, upgrading to the starter plan with more features and capabilities is totally worth it. Well, friends, now it's your turn to try TopView AI. When you sign up for this platform, you get 10 free credits that allow you to produce 2 videos. Of course, the number of avatars and voices generated by the AI is limited in the free version, but it gives you the opportunity to fully evaluate the power of this tool. If you like the tool, you can choose one of the paid plans starting at $14. With this plan, you will have access to 600 credits, which will allow you to produce 120 videos. This option is very suitable for content creators and can make your daily work much easier. Why should you use this tool? Save time and money. If you want to outsource such content, it costs a lot. With this tool, you can easily produce high-quality videos and save money. Ideal for content creators. If content creation is an integral part of your work, this tool can be a great help for you. What do you think? If you have used TopView AI, share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments section. Also, if you have any questions, be sure to ask. I will be happy to help. Test the tool at home. To learn more and try TopView AI at home, just click on the link in the video description. Well guys, I hope this video was useful for you. See you in the next video. Bye.